So you see, today when we look at what Jesus is saying, this woman has loved much because she saw that in Jesus, she is set free from that internal bondage which has kept her in that state. She was a sinner, they said. Whatever the sins may be, she saw that she can't get out of it. All of us, remember that once you do something wrong, say suppose you tell a lie. After some time you tell another lie because you have told this lie. So after some time, some more people come and then you have to tell 3-4 lies. So this becomes a pattern afterwards. The script is written to set yourself free. So you make the script for you. So the script afterwards starts becoming a habit. And once a habit is formed, it is very difficult to get out of that habit. We become obsessive compulsive in our disorders. And then we refuse any change. We just want to remain that way. This is what is not good. And so she saw this. I'm going to be internally in bondage. And she came there, she repented, and she did what she had to do. Actually, in the custom of the Jews, they have to do this. When someone comes, they have to wash their feet. They have to anoint their head with oil. They have to wash their hands. They have to give them a kiss of welcome, peace. But Simon had done nothing of this. But this woman had done. Why? Because she has loved much. That means she's more present to her. And she's more present to herself. That's the meaning of love. Look at what this love is when we express it in different ways. It is a deep experience of presence. And this presence is the presence of God that we want in the other. And we get disappointed because the other has not been God-like in their presence to us, in their good words or actions or whatever it is.